Hey darlings, welcome to your ovulation week. Last week I posted that we will be doing ovulation boosting recipe for this week, and it will last about 2 weeks. We'll be using our teas and also some other 2 ingredients. Elderberry tea is a must to boost the quality of your egg. Now for this other 2, blueberry ginger and blueberry mix, you have to choose one depending on which one you'll be using. Ask your distributor. You'll need your spirulina powder, your chai seed. Chai seed contain omega. Spirulina helps vitamin D, contains folate, also help your thyroid likewise. All you need to do is put enough water that you need on fire. Make sure you use low heat because we're not boiling this for long. All right, add your chai seed, add about 1 tablespoon of chai seed inside to get your omega, and then add your elderberry tea, 1 tablespoon each, and blueberry mix, 1 tablespoon each, or elderberry tea, 1 tablespoon, and blueberry ginger, 1 tablespoon. Pour them inside your chai seed. Remember, I said again, low heat. And then finally your spirulina powder, 1 teaspoon, just tiny. Make sure that this thing does not boil. If you know that it starts boiling like this on your low heat, switch off your fire and let it cool so they infuse together. Infuse them for like 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, this recipe, you are taking them after your period for 5 days. Yes, you heard me. After your period for 5 days. Filter and let it cool down enough for you to drink. If you're doing it for 5 days, make a new one every single day. And please, as you're watching this video, don't forget to share.